Okay, last time we learned that you can, of course, make selections of areas using things like the quick selection brush. And what I'm going to do now is use quick selection to make a selection of this lion, and I'll also use the option key to get rid of parts that I don't want. I'll use the shift key to add parts that I do want. But even so, this is not going to be a perfect selection by any means. And of course we know how we can use the lassos or the magnetic lasso to make this a little bit more refined. And we know that we can use the shift key with a lasso to add areas that we don't have, or the option key with the lasso to get rid of areas that we do have. But things that are small, like the hairs on this lion's mane, are not easy to get. And today we're going to look at something called mask mode, which will make it possible for us to select things like these lion's mane hairs. Mask mode, by the way, is right here at the bottom of your toolbar. And it's a toggle switch. You just click it on, and you'll notice that your unselected areas become red. What this allows you to do is use the eraser tool and the painting and drawing tools. And so this is how it works. I'm going to use the eraser tool. And you'll notice I have a very small brush, 2 pixels. I've got the brush option, and I can, as I draw, I'm erasing so that I can see each individual hair. And I can make this as detailed as I want to make it. And if I toggle back out of mask mode, you can see that my selection has changed to include those hairs. And then I can toggle back into it and work on it some more. Maybe I need to make the brush just a little bigger and do some more of this. Okay, and then the reverse is true. I might have areas where I've got part of the background that I don't want. So instead of using the eraser, I'll use the brush tool or the pencil tool, depending on if you want a hard or soft edge. And I can draw in areas that I don't want. Again, making the size whatever it needs to be to the amount of detail that I want to capture. And again, I toggle out, and now I've improved my selection, at least in this area right here. And that's how mask mode works.